Hey y'all, it's Lori. Welcome back to my lovely Texas home. So today's video is going to be a room decor tips video. I am so excited, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is pick a style. Now, when I say pick a style, you don't have to just go with one style. I love to incorporate different styles. For example, in my living room, I have a marble end table with a wood lamp on top of it. A lot of people would say that doesn't go because it's more glam with the marble, but I love to mix styles. Your house should feel the way you want it to. If you love multiple styles, mix them all together. Make it your own. That's what's fun about decorating. So I definitely recommend to mix styles and to just go with what you want. And don't worry about what's in trend or what's in style. Just decorate the way you want to and make your house feel the way you want it to. So the first thing I like to do is to bring in some nature into the house. I am so excited to announce that this video is in partnership with Kirklands. They sent over this beautiful woven hurricane glass that I put more bamboo in. I love the nature feel of this. I love how it makes the house feel warm and cozy. And they also sent over this beautiful lamp. This is a beautiful wood lamp and it comes with a beautiful woven shade. When I saw this, I knew I had to have it. It's the perfect warmth and coziness to add to your home. So make sure you go to Kirklands and check out their new Tropical Collection. They have so much more to choose from. They have pineapples, white woods, woven baskets, so much beautiful stuff. So make sure you guys go check them out. So I love decorating with books. I think old books just bring in some charm to your decor. And I can't get enough of books. I love thrifting books when I go to the thrift store, especially these Reader Digest condensed books. I think they're so cute. So I definitely am a book person. I am definitely not a gardener. I did not get that gene from my mom and dad, who are amazing at gardening. I like faux flowers and faux plants. I mean, obviously they're the easiest thing to take care of. And I just love greenery and flowers and bamboo and that nature aspect again. I love that. So I love to decorate with neutrals and pick a pop of color. My pop of color is obviously blue. You guys know I love me some blue. It's so much easier to have neutral furniture and have pops of colors so you can change out the curtains, the pillows, the rugs, instead of having a maroon couch and having to buy another couch. It's so much cheaper to just exchange the pops of colors in your pillows and your accessories than actual furniture. So I definitely recommend doing that. If you guys don't know, I love thrifting. Thrifting has been in my blood since I was little with my mom, my dad, my grandparents. I love mixing old and new. I love buying new home decor, but I also love incorporating some antiques with my home decor. I just think it looks so cool. And I also am inspired by when I buy home decor. I always gravitate towards more vintage items. I just love vintage looking decor. So another quick little tip is to get a floor mirror. I love how mirrors just open up your space. I definitely recommend getting a mirror. It just makes your room feel more big and more bright. So this wall in the living room was so large, I had no idea how to decorate it. When we moved in and put our TV stand in front of this wall, it looked so tiny. And our TV stand was pretty large. And I just did not know what to do with this wall because I wanted something more grand. And I had one of these bookcases in my office and I was like, what if I put 3 bookcases together and just put our little TV in there? Because in this downstairs living room, we're hardly here because we do have a loft upstairs where our big TV is. So why don't we put the smaller TV here and put bookcases, and it will look really cute as far as decor goes. So when I put this together, I was so excited with how it looked. The bookcases definitely make the space come together because without these bookcases, it is an empty wall. Now for the accent wall, you can do many different things. You can paint it. In one of my previous videos, I did a faux brick wall, and that could be a really good accent piece too. But I definitely recommend with a space this big to do an accent wall. It will just make it look so much better. And I love the way these bookcases look. The last tip I have is to use trays for centerpieces. I think trays are the easiest way to keep your coffee table organized. I love just having some coasters, some decor, and of course the remote, because who hates losing the remote? I know I do. So a tray is definitely a good way to organize your coffee table. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tips, and a huge thank you to Kirklands for partnering with me on this video. If you guys love decor videos and DIYs, definitely subscribe down below, and also follow me at my lovely Texas home on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.